Introducing a revolutionary sleep tracker that does so much more than monitor. The 8 Smart Mattress Cover, the first of its kind. Fits seamlessly onto your bed. No need to wear it or remember to charge it. 8 listens, records over 15 factors of sleep data, from deep sleep and heart rate to room temperature and noise, and 8 responds. It sets a smart alarm to wake you lightly. Warms each side of your bed individually, and naturally integrates with your lifestyle, including Nest and other smart home platforms. Eight makes sleep smarter. Our science applied to your life to show how your nights impact your days, to make both work better for your best life.
So we're all born with pristine skin, baby bottom skin, but as we go through life, being in the sun, exposed to different chemicals, pollution, things we eat, toxins, our body's ability to repair itself doesn't quite do the job. That often can develop into skin malignancies, given that the skin is one of the most exposed organs. It's the biggest organ in our body.
Each year, more people get skin cancer from the sun than get lung cancer from smoking cigarettes. 1 American dies every hour from melanoma, and it's one of the only cancers in the United States that still has an increasing incidence.
But there's good news. Unlike most cancers, it is possible to detect and treat skin cancer. Up to 95% of skin cancer deaths are preventable by early action. Our mission is to end all preventable skin cancer deaths, and it is possible. That's why we've created OOD.
So the HOOD is a polarized magnifying lens that attaches to any smartphone camera. Once attached, it allows you to take medical-grade images of your moles. Together with our app, you can track your moles for skin cancer warning signs and even share the images with a dermatologist. So now, instead of waiting weeks, having uncertainty and concern about your own health, you get an answer back within hours that gives you not only peace of mind, but you get a prioritized dermatologist appointment. Instead of waiting the 3 weeks where you go through a family doctor and then to a dermatologist, the dermatologist will tell you, hey, come straight into my office and I'll get removed for you right away.
So for the past 15 years, we've worked hard at developing the most capable medical-grade devices for dermatologists. Now with HOOD, we have created a device specifically for consumers that has been designed to be friendly, accessible, intuitive. We really want to eradicate skin cancer, and I believe this is our best shot.
With your help, our vision is to add the dermatoscope to the family of medical tools we keep in the home.
With HOOD, skin cancer can become a thing of the past, and we can spend less time worrying and more time.
Hi, I'm Zach from iSmart Alarm. For the last 3 years, we've been a leader in smart home security. And we know you have concerns when it comes to smart home technology. It's complicated, inflexible, and confusing. And in the end, it all just costs too much. We've created a camera that solves all of these problems. Meet Spot. Spot is more than just your average security camera. It's the future of smart home automation.
Spot is packed with all the features you'd expect in a smart home camera. Night vision, HD resolution, motion and sound detection, push notification alerts, cloud and local video storage, and we've even brought new innovative features to the market to truly separate Spot from the competition.
When we designed Spot, we wanted to be more than a security camera. In addition to preventing burglaries, we want Spot to work with your existing smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. Spot recognizes these alarms using our pattern panning algorithm and notifies you immediately of the dangers. From there, you can use Spot to see what's going on and take action if needed.
For years, we've focused on the ease and control of DIY monitoring. Spot continues this trend from the moment it's taken out of the package.
Received Wi-Fi information. Connecting to Wi-Fi.
Spot's flexibility and ease of installation makes it a snap to place Spots anywhere and everywhere in your home.
We cap events in a cool way with Spot's time-lapse feature.
You can even keep your pets in line with Spot's two-way audio capabilities. Hey, get off the couch!
Spot works by itself, with multiple Spots, and with the entire iSmart Alarm family of products. We've made the best smart home camera out there.
Spot has all the features that you'd expect from a smart home camera, and more.
Spot is a huge advancement over other smart home cameras, and the cost is unmatched.
Spot's just a lot of fun, and it makes sure you, your family, and your home are safe and sound.
Take a look at the information below on Spot's features, capabilities, app controls, and more. And then, pick a Spot.
What is your shower number? How many gallons of water do you use? We wear smart bands to tell us how far we walk, how much we sleep, how many calories we burn. Yet there has not been a way to intelligently know how much water is used while showering. Introducing the WaterHawk showerhead. The WaterHawk clearly displays your real-time water usage in gallons, allowing you to take control of how much water you use. People want to make a difference decreasing their water use, but they want easy, accurate solutions. The WaterHawk is the first showerhead on the market to do just that. Make it simple while making a difference. Watch your water like a hawk. Save water, save money.